welcome. Today we are going to look at English paper 1, questions and answers. So this is paper 1, question 1, this functional writing. You are the secretary of the Young Youth Farmers Club in your school. In consultation with the chair, you called a meeting for 22nd January 2024 at 3 p.m. Out of a total membership of 15, 10 attended, 4 absent with apologies, and 1 does not send any apology. 20 marks. The following are the agenda: preliminaries, confirmation of minutes of the previous meeting, matters arising, negotiations with the bazaar for the purchase of vegetables, schedules for the harvesting of the vegetables, formula for sharing the income, and any other business. Record the minutes of the meeting, giving details of discussions and resolutions made. So this is how you are going to write the functional writing of the minutes. You start with a heading. You say minutes of the second meeting of the Young Farmers Club held on, now you write 22nd January 2004 in the assembly hall, starting at what? 3 p.m. And you make sure you write these in capital letters. So when you mention Young Farmers Club, you're given half a mark. When you mention the venue, which is in the assembly, you're given half a mark. The date, which is 22nd January 2004, you're given another half mark. Then when you talk about the time is starting 3 p.m., you're given a half a mark. And then you start with those who are present. So you just start present. Then you know that you're going to outline them. You write their names. You start with Mrs., Mr. or Doctor. And then you have to also, when you mention their names, you give 10 names, and then you make sure you give them their the office they hold. That is, if this is the chairman, you start with the chairman, you go to the vice chairman, you go to the secretary, you go to the treasurer, like that. And then if you don't hold those positions, you're still a member. So everyone has to have a position, so you have a member. Then you go to absent with apologies, you write 4 names. Those absent, you write 1 name. And then now from there, you're supposed to write the agenda, which you've been given, which is preliminaries, confirmation of the previous year. From there, you go to minute 1. Yes, you start with the preliminaries and explain. You go to the confirmation. The way you are doing you were given the agenda. You were given. But when you go to the matters arising, you have to the matters arising from the previous meeting. You have to report. You have to reference the minute from the previous meeting. Then now, because you already have the agenda, you have to discuss all this. Then now at the end, after adjournment, because after any other business, of course, there's adjournment, you confirm, or confirmation of minutes, and you write where the chair is supposed, you leave a space where the chair is supposed to sign, and secretary, and the space together with the date. And don't fill anything. Then we go to the Cloze test, which is question 2. Read the passage below and fill in the blank space with the most appropriate word, 20 marks. Every year, the government loses hundreds of millions of shillings in tax revenue. through smuggling. Dumping of substandard goods and counterfeit products poses another serious threat to the stability of the economy. Local traders say smuggling is further fueled because economic growth registered in the last 2 years. They attribute this trend to rising demand for imported goods, especially electronic appliances, or you can say electronic gadgets, cars, and petroleum products. And while import volumes have increased substantially in the past 2 years, facilities and equipment at the Kilindini Harbour, Mombasa, and the Kenyatta International Airport JKI overstretched. Question 3, oral skills. Read the following poem and answer the questions that follow. The seed shop. Here in a quiet, dusty room they lie, faded as scrambled stone or shifting sand, forlorn as ashes, shivered, scentless, dry, meadows and gardens running through my hand. In this brown husk, a dale of hawthorn dreams, a cedar in this narrow cell enthrust, that will drink deeply of century streams. These lilies shall make summer on my dust, here in their safe and simple house of death, sealed in their shells, a million roses sleep. Here I can blow a garden with my breath, and in my hand a forest lie asleep. Questions? Describe the rhymes scheme of the poem above. The seed shop. What is the effect of the rhythm in the poem? It is a regular rhyme scheme. The seed shop. Describe the rhyme scheme of the poem above. So this is regular rhyme scheme. What is the effect of the rhythm in the poem? It creates a rhythm. How else has the poet achieved the effect in two above? The effect of creating rhythm is repetition. For examples, he has repeated here in stanza 1 and 3. There is also sibilance. For example, line 1, stone sand. Line 3 is scentless. This is alliteration. That is now still sibilance in line 3. There is also alliteration. For example, in line 3, stanza 3, blow, breath. In line 1, stanza 3, there is safe and simple. 4. Which words would you stress in the last line of stanza 1 and why? I would stress meadows, gardens, running hard. They are content words. Meadows, gardens, running hard. They are content words. That's why for each of the set of words below, underline odd one out. We have cough, boat, door. We have cough, boat, door. So it's cough. Think, thigh, thigh, thigh. Not, note, not, not. Provide another one that is pronounced the same way for each of the following words listed below. 3 marks. We have been, so here is been, B-E-E-N. Where is where, W-A-R-E. One is one, one. Yes. Then we go to D. For each of the words, make 2 sentences to bring the differences in meaning. 4 marks. We have beat. I like the beat of that music. This is you're using it as a noun. You can also say, I will beat you now. That's a verb. Produce. They sell their farm produce to the cooperative in town. That's a noun. The cows produce 90 liters of milk daily. That's a verb. Note that the forms must not change. It's the stress that will bring out the meaning. Read the conversation below between Judy and a peer counselor and then answer questions that follow. 6 marks. Peer counselor. Motioning her to sit. Hello, Judy. How are you getting on? Please have a seat and don't be anxious. Judy. Don't tell me it's all over school now. I will kill you. Peer counselor. Interrupting. Please relax. Well, you saw me into secrecy and I have kept my part of the... Again, no cause of alarm, Judy. So then, why do you want to see me? You mean it can show? Peer counselor, calm down. You are just in early stages and please keep up appearances. The school closes next month, Judy. Looking disturbed. 1 month and the whole world will know. I need to procure. Peer counselor. Don't even go there. Will you be able to live with the guilt? Remember, things can also go wrong and you die. Judy, visibly agitated. Then, tell me what to do. Peer counselor, please calm down. All is not lost. You just tripped. You never fell. These days, Judy, girls are accepted back to school after giving birth, so you need not to worry. All will be fine. In the meantime, just relax for your baby. Judy signs, thank you for being there for me. Remember, not a word to a soul. Peer counselor, you can trust me, Judy. Good day, Judy. Good day. Questions. How does the peer counselor establish good rapport with Judy? Greetings. Hello, Judy. Motioning her to sit. Asking her to relax. Mentioning Judy by name helps create also the rapport. Part 2. What good conversational skills does the peer counselor portray? The peer counselor is polite. She uses words such as calm down. The peer counselor is empathetic. She says, don't even go there. The peer counselor allows turn talking and reads the agitation in Judy. She interrupts politely by asking, please relax. Identify 2 shortcomings in Judy's speech. She is impatient. She uses words like, so then, why do you want to see me? She's rude. She says, I will kill you. She's also suspicious. And you can say anxious. Don't tell me it's all over the school now. So did you understand? Kindly let me know in the comment section below. Also let me know what video you can look at tomorrow. Thanks a lot for subscribing and listening to me. God bless you.